Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to go over installing part 2 for our LED light bar on our Can-Am Maverick trail. I'll go ahead and show it to you. So right here you can see the light bar. It's fully installed. It's a 32-inch curved, 180 watt. But part 1 we went over how we mounted it, so we got the brackets on here. Let me get the light. So we got the mounts that it came with actually. Pretty easy to do. This part we're going to go over how we installed the wiring. As you can see, let me go ahead and open this door. Take the seat out, make it a little easier to see here. So we simply just wrapped the wire around the plugs here, as you can see. And then in here, we just kind of shove it out of the way. It's a little bit of wire mess because there's a couple LED light bars in there. As you can see, we just wired straight to the battery. It's actually a switch, so it's going to come up through here. So you see right here, it's going to plug in, and we just ran the wire underneath the frame right here. So it goes underneath the seat. Let me zoom in out a little bit. So you go underneath the seat, then this comes off pretty easily. You got one screw right there. As you can see, one screw there. There is a pop rivet up in the front. Let's see if I can zoom in that for you. So there's a pop rivet right there, right in the middle of the screen. And there's one right there, right in the middle of the screen. Those come off, and then there's a couple clips holding this side of the unit on, so it's pretty easy. That comes off, and then there's a big clump of wires in here. You can just run the wires right in here, and you'll see they come out right there. So there's a big grouping of wires. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see that right there. Actually, I think, let's see if I can zoom you out here. I'm trying to get a good light in here, it's kind of hard. This is the actual wire. So it just comes up out of the center console up. We kind of bundle it in a bunch of other wires so it doesn't move around. Then you can see as I pull it, we just ran it behind the DPS steering wheel column, and it comes up right here, and then right to the switch. And I'll do a little brief demo here of the brightness so you can see. So here is our big bar. Give it a second to readjust. So it kind of really whites it out there. And then here is our little bar. So a little bit of difference, just lower, it's a little lighter. Turn over our lights back on. But overall, I think it went really well. It's pretty easy to do. Once you get it mounted, honestly, getting it mounted was the hard part. But after that, it was pretty easy. The wiring took us maybe 20 minutes to do. It's not that hard. Thanks for watching. That was just a really quick walkthrough of how I ran the wires for our 32-inch LED light bar. As I said, it was pretty simple. It was just a quick little 20 minutes. The hardest part was just figuring out how you wanted to run the wire and what switch you wanted it to run to. We chose the switch next to the headlight switch, just so we can kind of keep it in our minds so you don't really have to think about it. You can just toggle both those on for nighttime rides when you want to. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to keep following along. I hope you can tell a difference in the video quality. I've upgraded cameras here, so we're definitely a little more expensive than the last GoPro I was using, so hopefully you can notice it there in the audience. Thanks for watching.